We will talk about the Fujitsu, or O-General mini-split air conditioner errors, which has started appearing on the display. You will notice two indicators, the operation light and the timer light. First, let's count the blinks. We will count the operation light first, 1, 2. Now we will count the timer light, 1, 2. This gives us a 2 plus 2 combination. Whenever the operation light blinks twice and the timer light blinks twice as well, it means that the room temperature sensor in the indoor unit is faulty, either because it has opened or short-circuited. You need to replace the room temperature sensor, and the fault will be resolved. Let me show you where the room temperature sensor is located inside the indoor unit and on the PCB. Here is the indoor PCB, and as you can see, there is a yellow connector with a black wire. That's where the room temperature sensor is connected. It is mounted in the coil area, and if you look here, you will see it fixed in this spot. Once you change it, the error, 2 operation blinks plus 2 timer blinks, will be cleared and your unit will return to working condition. Now, let's discuss the next error. On the Fujitsu or O-General air conditioner display, you will see the operation light and the timer light blinking again. Let's count the blinks. The operation light stays solid while we count 1, 2. Then, we will count the timer light 1, 2, 3. In this situation, if the operation light blinks twice and the timer light blinks 3 times, it indicates that the pipe coil sensor in the indoor unit is faulty, either due to a short circuit or an open circuit. Now, let's open the cover and locate the sensor. This is the pipe coil sensor with red and white wires connected to the PCB here. Let me also show you where it is located in the outdoor unit. You can see it here. This is where it is fixed. I've removed it, and this is its position. Once you change it, this error will be resolved. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.